All right, let's take this bad boy outside and work on assembling. Proud of myself. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, here is my greenhouse kit that I ordered from Amazon. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing, an assembly, and then I'm gonna share with you my thoughts on the greenhouse, like what I think about it, my reviews, in other words. Let's take this bad boy outside and work on assembling it. This is the BPS lean-to greenhouse, walk-in mini greenhouse with PE cover, hothouse, portable for plant outdoors. Okay, that's what it said on Amazon, and that is what I bought, even though on the cover of the box it doesn't say any of that. But if you're looking for the greenhouse, that's what it was on Amazon, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box. Obviously the box was not too heavy because I could carry it with just one hand. Step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5 and 6. This looks like rocket science to me. So guys, there were so many pieces inside the box and I almost got discouraged, but it was not that difficult to sort out and put together. Now we have all of the parts sorted out, all the numbers. I counted all the pieces, so I have it from number 1 to number 11 and then from A to E. Everything is here. Now it's time to start assembling, to start putting them together. You do not need any special tools to put together this greenhouse, which was a major plus for me. Super proud. I just completed step 1 of the assembly, guys, right there. So that is this step. Were the instructions easy to follow? I would say yes. I just went step by step. There were 6 steps in the assembly process, and because I sorted out all of the parts already, it made it very easy to follow. Guys, that is my son. That is my 3rd child. He is very tall. Obviously, I had to recruit his help because this thing is tall. The dimensions of it are 6.7 foot, that is the length, by 3.3 feet, that is the width, and then the height is 7.2. Okay, so I'm only like 5'3". I couldn't reach the top of it, so I had to ask him to help me. So guys, that's just something to keep in mind in case you're not that tall and you're assembling by yourself. At this point, we're basically done. I'm just using these plants to hold it down. The greenhouse by itself is not very sturdy. If there's wind, it can blow it away. But the kit came with something that you can use to hold down the greenhouse. I did not use it. I'm choosing to use plants instead. Hey guys, I am done with the assembly. Super proud of myself. Oh my goodness. So this is what we have. As you can see, it has an arch like this. This is supposed to help with wind, I guess. And it is also supposed to be set like right on the wall here. This side was supposed to be leaning against the wall, but I could not do that because of the pipe that we have right here. Let me show you the inside. This is how it looks like. Okay, it has shelves. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves in here, and it has 2 doors. This is one door and that's the other one. I'm gonna just use this one. So the door is supposed to be, you can zip it down. You can zip down the door. What else does it have? It has windows. If you want some airflow, you could open this up like so. Roll it up, I guess. You could roll it up and then This one is just mesh, so you could let in some air like that if you wanted to for ventilation. What I did here was just use like something heavy, blocks and plants to hold it down. Hopefully that is solid enough. So that's what I have. I'm just gonna move some of my plants in here now. So that's our greenhouse. The main reason why I decided to invest in this greenhouse is because I started a lot of seeds indoors. My plants are now germinating. They're gonna start growing and they will need light for photosynthesis. I could buy a bunch of grow lights that will cost me a lot of money, or I could figure out a way to expose my plants to the real deal outdoors, that is sunlight. However, it is still winter over here technically, and just taking my plants right now and exposing them to direct sunlight could kill the plants because they're too young for that harsh sunlight. But I could forget them outside, and when the temperature drops, my plants could die. So I figured having a greenhouse will help me solve the problem of my plants needing light and provide that warmth at the same time. So that is why I decided to make this investment. And I believe that $100 is quite affordable for me anyway. I didn't want to build something or spend a lot of money. So this particular greenhouse I think will do the job. Plus I can take it apart and bring it back indoors and save it for next season when I no longer need it. I hope this video was valuable to you. If so, give the video a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. I hope I have earned your subscription. This channel is about how to cultivate culturally meaningful African vegetables, and then I also share tips like this one for beginner gardeners. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, grow a garden.